Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can move files from a OneDrive account to another one. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer, and the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find this right here, just go to your Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then you're going to be right here in this window. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the Home section, Gallery, OneDrive, and so on. So right now, go ahead and click on the OneDrive section. Right click on it, and then here you're going to find all of these options. Here you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open it in a new tab, open a new window, and so on. And then here you're going to find the option to always keep it on this device, free up space, and lastly here you're going to find OneDrive. So right now go to OneDrive, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to view it online. Here you're going to find settings, and lastly here you're going to find folder color. So right now, go ahead and click on OneDrive and then click on settings. And then this will take you to this window right here. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find these sections here in the left: sync and backup, account, notifications, and lastly about. So go ahead and click on the account section. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the OneDrive account that you have linked to your computer. So right now, if you want to move your files to on another account, first of all, if you have your files already downloaded in your computer, go ahead and click on add an account. And then once you click on add an account, go ahead and add your email address right here. Click on sign in and then just add your account, and you will have two accounts right here. Link your secondary account and then go to sync and backup and make sure you enable backup for the other account. Click on save changes, and then all of your files will be uploaded to the other account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.